If even for a second you assumed the internet and thus the web was available to anyone with an internet connection, you were very much mistaken. So let's get real and get rid of a few widespread false assumptions around using the web. Web accessibility is not about being able to reach or not a website. It has nothing to do with your internet provider's terrible connection, your poodle chewing on the cable, the janitor pulling the wire while hoovering, or you, for some god-awful reason, placing the Wi-Fi router smack on top of your microwave. Web accessibility is about how websites and web apps are planned, designed, and created, and whether the end result is easily usable by people both disabled and not. Only a small percentage, namely 1.9% of the current web is accessible, so if you think your website is accessible, it's more than likely not. It is a legal, moral, and ethical obligation to provide an accessible web experience to all users. And guess what? There are no exceptions. None. Zilch. Nada. Not really. That would be called discrimination, and that's illegal too. Disabled people aren't few and far between. It's roughly 15% of the world's population, so chances are you're either one of them or know someone who is. Web accessibility caters for all disability types, not just blind people. Fun fact, though less so for them, the most common disability type is cognitive. You didn't see that coming, did you? Web accessibility caters not just for permanent but temporary, situational, and age-related disabilities as well. Think broken arms, mouse running out of battery, watching a video in a loud environment without headphones, or your eyesight and hearing weakening over time. Web accessibility enables a website or an app to be used with just a keyboard, in various contrast modes, or with other disability-specific support tools one might use. Think Stephen Hawking or Nick Vujicic, for example. Web accessibility is not a new requirement. The capability has been built into HTML and browsers since the beginning for nearly 30 years now. But everyone from designers, developers to product managers and companies ignored it. And now we have to retroactively fix 98% or 98.1% to be more precise of the web. If that sounds like a 30-year-old backlog, that's probably because that's exactly what it is. Web accessibility is not easy. Don't let anyone fool you into thinking it is. Hopefully this channel will help you understand all the intricate details behind it all, how to design, develop, and test accessible websites and apps. So subscribe for more and hit the bell button for more short and sweet accessibility videos like this. As always, stay creative and accessible. Attila, your accessibility ally.